Your focused thoughts, feelings, and attitudes are reflected back into your life. So, if you think and feel bad, you will experience bad. It will be like a loop. You will habitually continue down this road and continue to get that reflection in your life. So, become conscious and change the pattern. So, what do you desire? What do you want reflected back into your life? Is it happiness? Then feel happy and focus your thoughts on happiness and things alike. Do you desire confidence? Then focus your thoughts and feelings on confidence and things alike. For me, it starts with focused repetition. I take time out of my day to focus on the thoughts I wish to have in my life. I don't just say, I am confident, I am confident, I am confident. No, instead, I say to myself, I am confident, I feel strong, and I look great today. I am ready to tackle the day. Today is a great day, and I will accomplish all I set out to do. I feel good and am prepared for anything. I ask myself questions like, why am I so confident, and I wait for the answer. Important, if the answer is opposite of how you wish to be, good, notice it and work on changing that identity or story. Do you see the difference between robotically saying words compared to really focusing on and living from a new state? We are talking and thinking at all moments throughout the day. What kind of conversations are you having with yourself? Are they helping you, or are they confirming the undesired results you hope not to experience? Remember Job in the Bible. He said, "What I feared has come upon me." Job is giving us insight into the law. The law does not care what you want, it only reflects back to you what you are. So, if you fear something will happen and you continue to let that crowd your consciousness, it will be reflected back to you. The same is true if you decide to change your thoughts and instead assume that the best will happen. If you focus on that and believe it, the law will reflect that which you are back into your life. The old conversation versus the new conversation. The Bible tells us to put off the former conversation and put on the new conversation. This isn't like flipping a switch. I'm not telling you it will be super easy, and the minute you start thinking differently in the right direction, you will notice a change in a few hours or a few days. Think about it this way: how long have you been habitually thinking in a way that does not serve you? How often do you complain about certain things over and over again? How often do you speak ill of people in your mind or to others? There are countless examples of people thinking and feeling in the wrong direction. Assuming this has been going on for months or years, do you expect to change in one day or 1 week? It took you months or years to have these negatives reflected in your life. This is why Neville tells us to persist. Persistence in the new man will harden our assumptions into fact. So, what are states? There are an infinite number of states, and you choose to live in any of them. In my Father's house there are many mansions. If it were not so, I would not tell you. The many mansions means many states. Confidence is a state, happiness is a state, wealth is a state, poverty is a state, etc. What state or states do you want to live from? I ask you this question for yourself. Ask yourself this question: if you could be your ideal version of yourself, what states would you be living in? Once you figure out that question, the fun begins. Figure out what you desire, what state you'd like to live from, and once you figure it out, occupy that state by thinking from the completion of the desire. If you desire wealth, decide right now to stop thinking poverty-ridden thoughts. Stop thinking things like, my bills are piling up, I wish I could get this or that but it's too expensive, wow look how expensive gas is now. I'm not made of money. This puts you in lack. How can you ever expect to experience better if you are always focused on not having enough? You are planting a seed with those words and it will come to fruition. I understand that you may be struggling with money right now. You also understand this. It is happening because it is being reflected from past feelings, ideas, and thoughts. So, stop the pattern. If you always focus on not having money, how can you ever see opportunities to earn more money? Wealth is a state of mind just like anything else. So, stop thinking in a poverty mindset and instead think from a wealth mindset. It won't feel natural at first, but after a while, you will begin to feel it and believe it. That's occupying a new state by thinking from your desired fulfilled. It is the same with any state. How can you expect to feel and experience love when you are constantly feeling, thinking, and assuming the opposite? How can you experience confidence if you are always focused on nervousness and things alike? Stop the pattern and instead live from your desired state. Always occupy the best states. Think on things that are lovely and of good report and you'll experience heaven on earth. That which we think feelingly upon, we will experience in our reality. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.